welcome back to another video. Today I am going to cooking school and my friend is going to be teaching me how to bake a carrot cake. Fun fact, I do not cook, like ever, never, ever, never, ever. I make like pasta, sandwiches, and that's about the extent of my cooking life. But I would like to get better at cooking. And I have a special friend here who is awesome at cooking. Everything she makes is chef's kiss delicious. So please come on in, Peach Berry! Nicole is here!
Hello! So we're going to make a carrot cake today. And it was really hard because Jessie has nothing in her house. And we went into the supermarket and I thought usually people have at least like spices. But she had nothing, so we had to buy everything.
Absolutely nothing. She was like, do you have cinnamon? And I was like, no. And she was like, do you have eggs? And I was like, no.
So we bought, I don't know if you can see the table. I guess you can.
Well, we'll show everything.
Yeah. We have everything here to make a carrot cake. I am also not a professional. I am a hobbyist, a very casual hobbyist.
But everything you make is delicious.
I hope so. The thing that took the longest last time was you need to grate the carrots, and we don't have a very good grater.
We have this. It looks like a medieval weapon.
Yes.
Like a little paddle.
For spanking your bum bum. Like 10 years.
And last time she made it, me and Capsule Bunny just watched TV and didn't help at all. Like, it was so sad because Nicole was like, guys, let's have a cute little baking day. And we were like, yeah. And then we did absolutely nothing and you did all the work.
This is the recipe.
Is there a link to this recipe? I will link it in the description below.
We need to peel the carrots, yes, first.
Oh, peeler.
You can use...
I have a peeler.
Oh, you have a peeler? Get the peeler.
Yeah.
And so we can wing it, but...
Peeler! So this is my 100 yen Hello Kitty peeler. It's from Daiso.
So the recipe we're using is for a kind of big cake. And last time we only made half of it. Oh. And that was still pretty big. So I think we're going to make half of it also again today.
Sounds good.
Peel that carrot
until
it's smooth and beautiful.
Smoothening this carrot. This is like...
Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's like you're doing like what's it called? Like a facial peel on the carrot. You're getting rid of the dead skin.
Oh my god. I need this. Can someone please grate my face? Does that look less... Does that...
Yeah, that's probably good enough.
Sorry, I can't like speak.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh wait, I didn't really get like its bulbous head though.
So we needed 2 cups of flour. That means we need 1 cup of flour. I can do math.
Okay, please
this
math.
Is... Wait, this is 1 cup.
That is 1 cup, yes.
So
I thought you told me you knew how to bake.
I know how to bake.
I brought you here to bake.
We're going to get a scissor to cut this bag open because someone didn't have flour.
I do have scissors though.
Oh. I still do, like, sometimes experiment with other ingredients that you can use to replace things. So, like, if someone is gluten-free or if they have, like, egg allergies or if they're vegan, you can replace a lot of things in baking.
Oh, that's a very good idea.
I've done some successfully and some not as successfully. Usually you can replace eggs with bananas, actually. Really?
I didn't know that.
See?
Yeah. Like, real tea, though, you've been in Japan for how many years?
Wait. In November it will be 10 years.
Oh my god. See, like, that's still my problem. Like, I don't even know, like, what this stuff is at the grocery store. Like, Nicole's like, we need this, and we need this, and we need this. Like...
When I moved here 10 years ago by myself, like, a lot of things were not as easy as they are now.
Yeah, everything, like, most things are in English now, at least at, like, the convenience stores and stuff.
Like, honestly, ever since when they announced the Olympics, which they announced it, like 2015?
Something like that, yeah.
They changed a lot of things to make it more welcoming for travelers, so they did put a lot of things in English then.
Yeah, I remember back in the day, like at the convenience store, you had to like gamble what food you wanted. You and I were talking a bit about like the Jedi fashions kind of starting out. Like you were very here.
I was here before it started. I watched it start. I watched it blossom into what it is now.
Like, we kind of pinned it to, like, 2018 when, like, the kind of pink and black, like, Eat Me stuff was starting to get popular. But, like, it wasn't Jedi yet, because Jedi added, like, the cute elements and the more gothic-y stuff. But
when Larm was already, I forget when Larm started. It was before that, like 2015, 2014.
Yeah,
maybe 2013.
It was so different back in the day.
And like, yeah, it like because of that, like kind of black and pink, but like kawaii look, went from like a like soft romantic look to then more like a kind of punky, kawaii, pop Lolita mesh of things, and it kind of just evolved from that.
Yeah.
Did you open it?
No. Mom, I'm sorry.
We need to open the cinnamon before we can use it.
Who would have thought? You have to open things.
Usually when you buy things in the grocery store in Japan, they're sealed.
I think they're like that everywhere. I think I'm just dumb.
As opposed to being. You ever bake with your mom as a kid and like she's like, oh, you can do it, honey, and then you do it and then she immediately fixes it?
Yeah.
Like she's like, that's enough now, you're done.
I feel like that's me right now. Look at me, I'm baking. I'm whisking. Whisk, 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 whisk. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh my god, I'm so ready for this. Whisked. We have the paddle. The
so you
paddle.
literally have to just scrape it with your strong hands. I know it didn't really change the amount of time it takes, but when I got bored of a carrot, I would switch and use a different one, and it made me feel like it was going faster. So like, you do like a carrot for a while, and then you get tired of looking at the sun, so you take like a different carrot, and it's still covered in the peels.
I love it.
And this one is even harder to do. Okay, this is brown sugar. And the brown sugar in Japan is kind of different than the brown sugar in other countries. I don't know, the one, like it's darker and it's more clumpier, and I feel like, at least in America, we have like light brown sugar and dark brown sugar. And then in Japan, we only have this one.
Whatever that is.
But we should probably heat up the oven. That was like the first thing you should do. I didn't even not do that.
I didn't even think about it. Like, I never use my oven as an oven. This is actually the first time I am using my convection oven as an actual oven. Like, I always just use it as a microwave. So this is like a christening for my oven.
Oh shit. That's good. That's what I wanted to have.
Just a little enthusiastic. 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Okay. All right, I'm ready. I took my jewelry off. It's over here.
And I think we should do it one at a time. So you break one, mix it, and then add the other one.
Okay. My poor manicure is screaming. Right
You can
now.
throw the eggshell with the carrot peels.
Oh, good idea. All right, I'm going to mix this. Ew, it's so soupy.
If I bite into a crunch, then everything's over for you.
Cooking mentors not going to approve. All right, you should be like Gordon Ramsay and be like, "This is shit.
This is shit," and I'll throw it across the room onto your plush couch over here.
Where's the lamb sauce?
This is the lamb sauce.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Yeah, walking through the neighborhoods was always fun. I liked seeing how people decorated. And I was like kind of nosy, so anytime it was like an open window, I was slightly like, oh, that's a nice house.
Looking in people's
Not like looking in, passing by.
Peering through their windows.
I wasn't like stalking or anything, but like, you see like a glistening chandelier. And
You just gotta go take a look in their window.
Yeah, you just gotta enter their house and like
see if it's unlocked. Just take a stroll. They won't be bothered by that.
Carrots together. I'm sorry. Carrots together. I'm sorry.
I think we're done grading carrots.
Oh my god! When you grate just too hard.
When you grate them too
Look,
hard.
it exploded everywhere.
Oh, my drink, my iced tea. It's filled with carrots. It's like next to this carrot bowl looks so sad. It's like the broken grater, a bunch of eggshells, the half-used carrots.
Oh my god, you know what it like reminds me of? I was in like those Jedi pictures, there's like a strong zero, like a bottle of pills, and like the picture of their favorite host or whatever.
And so
Like
you holding a cake and on the floor just like half the carrots, the eggshells, the broken grater, and like the Philadelphia cream cheese box, like half of
this
it.
is it. This is our lives now. It's alive! Okay, so we took a quick break to kind of clean up some of the carrot explosion. And the cake is currently in the oven, so now we are going to be making the frosting.
Yay! So we're gonna make a really easy cream cheese frosting. We made this one last time. I made this.
Nicole made this last time.
I made this one last time, and it came pretty good. You just scoop out a little more than half, and then start mixing it in that bowl.
Okay.
What did I say? A little more than half a cup of powdered sugar.
This is gonna be so good. That's fine. Like the last time Nicole made this frosting, it was very delicious.
Oh yeah, because it's completely cream cheese and sugar.
Yeah, that's everything I love.
There's probably no way it wouldn't be good.
Look at this. Cream cheese and sugar. Can I taste it?
Yeah, sure.
All right, we're going to do a little taste test with the spoon
It's
and my
definitely gonna
finger.
taste good because it is cream cheese and sugar.
Oh my god. Okay, so my camera died, so this is going to be on my cell phone. So if the yay! So if the audio is wonky or their lighting is bad, that's why. Is that okay? Can you stand? Oh fuck.
That's fine. This is fine.
Tall and small. So here's the cake. It is finished. We took it out and we are going to ice it now.
Just slide on it.
So the carrot cake is done and we're finally going to do the taste test. As I mentioned before, my dining room table doesn't have dining room chairs yet. Those will hopefully be coming sometime this month. So we are on my coffee table.
That's fine. I always eat at my coffee table.
And here is the finished result.
Oh, it came good.
Right? Most people don't put sprinkles on carrot cake, but
Why not?
we're not like most people. So I'm going to give it a cut. Here you are.
Thank you. Oh, it looks good.
It does look
That's
good.
fine. Looks very cakey.
Right? It looks like a cake. All right, are you ready for the taste test?
Yes.
3, 2,
Oh,
1.
I'm ready. No, too fast.
It's carrot cake. It's very good.
Oishi.
Yeah, I like the frosting. I think it fit in really well.
I think the only thing we could have done differently is maybe baked it like 3 more minutes. I mean, it tastes great.
Yeah, it's really good. I told you I'm all about the instant gratification. And cooking doesn't have that, but I feel accomplished. Like I never cook, and you gave me the opportunity to like use my oven. Thank you so much for coming.
This is the first time you used the oven, right?
It is actually. So if you are interested in more kawaii cooking videos, please let me know in the description below, and we can make this a series if y'all are interested in seeing any more.
We can make something else next.
Yeah, let us know if there's anything that you would like to see us bake.
Try to bake.
Try to bake. Attempt to bake.
Attempt to bake.
If you like Japanese kawaii fashion, especially Jidaike and Yosangata, please like and subscribe to this channel. Please follow me on Instagram, and my social media will be linked down below. Nicole?
I don't have a YouTube, but I have an Instagram where I also post a lot of like kawaii fashion things, so please check that out. I also recently started a TikTok. It's super new and super cringy, so if you're interested in that, please watch that too.
Yay! Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end and going on this journey with us.
Journey with us!
Yay!
All the way to the end. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye!